Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually be showing you a brand new method that is going to pay you out to have the tab closed. So this is like a passive way you can start to earn some money right now. Super easy and fast to get started. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end. So before we actually get started with today's method, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about my channel. Now, I want to start to upload more videos consistently and more throughout the week. But the thing is, since I've been doing the comment giveaway on every video, if you want to earn some BTC from me, some cryptocurrency from me, make sure to leave that Bitcoin address throughout the videos that I'm going to be posting out throughout the week. And at the end of the week, around Saturday and Sunday, I'm going to do a video just about giving away crypto to you guys. So I'm going to come back to this video and then give some money. I'm going to come back to this video and give some money. I'm going to come back to this video and give some money. So at the end of the week, guys, you're going to be getting some free crypto from me. But I just want to start to upload more videos so you guys can get more content from me throughout the week instead of just having to wait a very long time in order for me to upload another video. So guys, again, if you want to get some BTC from me, make sure to leave the Bitcoin address down in the comment section of this video, so by the end of the week you can get a chance to win some free crypto from me. So now let's get started with today's money making method. So to start this video off, guys, this method is going to have to do with Express Crypto. Again, I love this actual wallet so much because it's so easy to earn some cryptocurrency from here, guys. So look, if we scroll down right here, you can see I have Tron, and this is going to be something that has to do with this right here, guys. So you can see this right here, Potcoin, auto faucet, auto payouts every 30 seconds for up to 4 hours, even with closed tabs. Now I'm about to show you that website. I'm going to show you how you can start to earn some cryptocurrency passively up to 4 hours every single day, guys. It is something so simple and so easy to do, and I'm about to show you how to do that right now. So let me refresh the page real quick because it is working at the moment. Let's scroll down and you can see even more payments from this itself right here, guys. Look, we have some LSK, we have some PPC, we have some XRP, and this is all passive. I am doing this on different websites as we speak as well. So we have this running in the background on a browser that is making me some cryptocurrency as well, and we even have these running on there as well. So look, guys, this is a way you can start to earn some passive income doing absolutely nothing but just setting it up. So here it is. So here is the website right here, guys. I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video so you can get started right away. But make sure you watch this video till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money. You're going to need your Express Crypto ID so you can actually get started and logged into this website. And this is working 24 hours a day. So it says every 4 hours, guys. So once you do this for 4 hours, the short links, it's super easy. You're going to come back after the 4 hours are done, do it again, so fast, so easy to do, and then you're just going to wait another 4 hours and just repeat the process. I've been doing this for quite some time, guys, and it has been making me some decent amount of income passively, and it takes no effort. All I have to do is just do this for 4 hours, close a tab, come back in another 4 hours, do it again, and just repeat the process. So now let's go over here to the short links wall real quick, and this is how they get paid, guys, by showing us these ads. So let's go to short links real quick. Now there are some that says NSFW, which is nudity, and you can choose to use those or not, but every day there's brand new ones that you can come back and just do them again and click on them that are not have to do with nudity. But let me click on this one that does, because some of them don't show you anything. It's just on there for like pretty much no reason. So let me do this really quick. As you can see, there's nothing really have to do with nudity on here. So let's go over here to I am not a robot. Let's click right here to click to continue. Let's exit out the first ad. Let's do it again until this tab changes. So it's about to change in a minute, so let's do it one more time and it should change right there. So now let's just exit out of this one. Now let's come back here and wait those 2 seconds, and let's click on get link, exit out the ad, get link again, and we should have been sent back to this. Now I'm up to 49 minutes. So before I continue on with this video, guys, I just want to give you an update about the Satoshi Daily website that is my faucet created for you guys. I have upgraded this up to 215 users. That means that 215 users are actually on this website itself. Only 3 withdrawals. So pretty soon I'm actually going to update the faucet claims to give you guys even more crypto inside of this website. So if we come over here to earn BTC, we can go over here to the faucet. I'm going to be updating this so you guys can earn some more Bitcoin from me if you guys stay consistent on doing this and save up the money, your cryptocurrency. You can actually come over here to the earn BTC, go over here to the mining game, and this is going to be a passive way you can earn crypto from me, guys. You just have to save up your crypto, come over here and buy these for 30 days. You're going to get profit on anything that you buy if you just stay consistent and try to work your way up to the warehouse. Plus, because this website is not fake, this website is not going to disappear. As long as I am in profit, the website's going to be up, guys, because I want you guys to start or to earn some cryptocurrency from me, and I also want to be in a little bit of profit so I can stay consistent on building this up and upgrading certain things inside of this to give you guys even some more crypto from me. So this is going to be like an update just so you guys can get started with the Satoshi Daily website created for you guys, hosted by me. So guys, now let's continue on with the video. So almost an hour already passive income that I'm creating from this, and that only took me like a minute or so, guys. So simple and so easy. So let me fill this up really quick so I can show you how passive it is. So let's go to short link log in. Let's repeat the process. Let's do this one now, and let's go to 30 minutes. So we're gonna get 30 minutes for completing this captcha. Now we're gonna have to wait a little bit because I actually have a lot of stuff running at the moment while I'm streaming or recording this. So now let's just wait, and I'll be right back once this is finished. So as you can see, I'm about to finish the next captcha right here. All I have to do is click on this link and then exit out the ad, click on it one more time, and it should change over to here. Now I'm at an hour and 17 minutes of passive income right there, guys. So now let's just exit out of this one and let's go through the rest of the website. So we can come over here to the leaderboard, which is really nothing important. It's just, a leaderboard, guys. There's a referral system and there is inventory, but there's nothing in there at the moment. So if we click over here where it says get more or more, you can click on there and click on contact, FAQ, and the game that they have inside of this website as well. Now I literally just use it for this service right here, guys, nothing else. And now let's go back to Express Crypto and let's come down here real quick. So you only see 3 right now. So let's refresh the page and let's see how much we have accumulated passively. So look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and pretty much on the other page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go to the next one, 7, 8. So you can see all of that passive income just starting to accumulate inside of my accounts for doing absolutely nothing. So this is a really simple and easy way you can start to earn some cryptocurrency right now for using this one website, and the link's going to be down in the description of this video. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.